Everybody, in this video I'm going to share you how to create a avatar maker freely, a vector graphics vector avatar maker from online. So in another tutorial I have shown how to make a character in vector graphics software. So for vector graphics software I have shown the inkscape. So you can see here what is the inkscape, about the memory, about inkscape 20 years completed. It is an open source industry standard vector graphics software 1.3.2 I'm using. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a avatar maker, avatar maker for vector graphics, not in 3D. avatarmaker.com. So in avatar maker, create your own avatar. This is for 3D. This for 3D. You can see here. In another tutorial I want to show you how to make a 3D avatar maker. Just upload your just attention, you have some previous onset chains. This is the avatar maker. This is the same way. So download it. This is the same way. Create a Facebook avatar maker. Clicking on here. This is the avatar, and you can see here this is the 3D. But I want to make another video for this tutorial. So this is the same, and this website is not really good. Just this one. First I want to choose select the gender, name, gender, avatar makers, avatarmaker.com. click on in here. First I want to choose the here here I like this style of here. This style good. This style I like very much. You can choose the color, what type of hair I really want. Bluish. It's okay. So next, this is the default. I want to change this. Change this one and this one. This very looks. There's very emotion. So this is the default, and this looks very sweet. And change this one. Change color. And change the eye color. I want to change the eye color because we are greenish. Dark brownish, because our eyes color, people color is just like a dark brownish. Change the bro. First I want to change the facial time. This is the default. It looks not good. Oval face. This face. And you can see here this is another type of the Chinese look. This is the like a Chinese, this is like a very Chinese look. Avatar Maker, it is very interesting. Now I want to choose the nose. This is the default nose. This nose, this looks tribal. This nose is not a good quality. It's like a tribal nose or South African nose. This nose is good. And now I want to change the lip color. Lip. This is a different type of mouth. I like this mouth. This mouth. This is smile, and you can see here this smile, this smile. And next thing, mouth color, very light change. I want to change the mouth color. And next ear, this is the ear. I want to change this ear, make it a longer. And you can, this ear is very good and change the I have already changed. Now this is the time to change the eyebrow. This is not a good, this is good for female character. This good, and also this one. This is not very. This is another type of this. I want to make this face a cute face. To make a cute face, this angry face. Just the difference, which one looks good. This one looks good. So next time is time to wear an eyeglass. I have changed the hair. Now dress. What type of dress I really want to either choose this one in winter season or this one. I think this, and I want to choose the dress color. have choose this one, dress color. Change the dress color, and if I want to change the background, so this type, and if I want to choose random, if I want to add a busy, so you can add so I don't want to add any busy, so this is okay. And I think I want to make the change the dress color. Okay, so now it is time to download vector, not png. I want to download it in vector graphics of vector.svc. so click on in here, avatar maker, change this one and click on in here. So go to the download folder, press function 5, so you can it is already downloaded. So I have opened the Inkscape. It is a free vector graphics software. So click in here, drag and drop in here. So 200 SVG format, add SVG, set it on default and click in here. There is a very select everything and make it group. So you can choose the dress color, everything you can choose. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tutorial. Bye bye.